Hello and welcome back. Today we are talking about machine learning process. As we will see from a practical machine learning course, there is a specific step-by-step process that we typically always follow when building machine learning model. So let's have a look at the process. This process has three main steps. First one, data preprocessing. Import the data. Load data with Python standard library. Normally we will be using the module CSV, comma separated values, and the function read function to load your CSV files. Next, clean the data. Clean the data. Quick note, we would not be focusing a lot on cleaning the data because our data is pre-cleaned, so that's we can really encompass other skill related to machine learning. But mind that real world situation, cleaning the data set is a quite important step. Split into training and test set. To accurately assess your machine learning models performance without overfitting or underfitting issues, it's necessary to split your data set into two separate sets. Details we will discuss our upcoming videos. Split into training and test set. Feature scaling. The purpose of feature scaling is to bring all the features to the same level of magnitude, which help in improving the performance of machine learning algorithms. You will get details in our upcoming videos, feature scaling. Next, to move the modeling. Well, first build the modeling, then train the model and make prediction. So this is the fun part of the modeling. In this course, great exposure to several different models and would be able to practice. Finally, we move on to evaluation. First step, evaluation. Calculate performance matrix. Then make a verdict model. Whether it is good fittings model, it works on data or not. This is very important step that the model we build really serve the purpose or not. Here we go, machine learning process. We will get some great hands-on experience in this course. Enjoy machine learning. Next video, very important topics split into training and test set.